24 or 48 hours. Out in the Atlantic, this curve of cloud is winding up around a depression that's going to bring not only fairly strong winds, as you can see from the Clyde isobars, but also a good deal of rain to almost all of us, including eventually the north of Scotland. Now, just the last few hours, the cloud that's been over us today has started to thin out. We're drawing in drier air from the continent, so there's some evening sunshine around for those parts you can see, southern England and parts of Wales as well. Everywhere else it should be dry, the odd shower may be scattered around in Ireland. And tonight, different to last night as well, it'll be an awful lot warmer in most places. There could still be a touch of ground frost up in Scotland, and note the start of the change in the wind direction, and easterly, and picking up quite considerably down in the southwest of England. By dawn, the rain will already be with us. It'll be over the southwest of England, Devon, Cornwall, possibly Somerset as well, and also the extreme southwest of Wales. It'll move slowly during the morning up and towards the Midlands, probably reaching as far east as London by about lunchtime. Now that band, which could well be heavy at times, will be lasting, I should think, 2 or 3 hours as a rough estimate, moving up through the country at lunchtime, through the Midlands, North Wales, not quite into Northern Ireland, where it'll get during the afternoon and probably stay for quite a while. Now, in the wake of this rain, as it eventually dies out, there might be some brighter weather for England and Wales, the southern half, but there'll also be some pretty heavy showers. They could even be thundery now and again, and also fairly windy weather, note, just about everywhere. Scotland escapes for the time being, though I don't suppose you mind that much. Might be rather dull on the east coast, a bit of drizzle there, the early har maybe. Better further inland and far less windy. You can already see the wind starting to develop tonight. I think we'll see southeasterly gales across, again, the southwest of England, possibly parts of Devon, and pretty strong winds almost over the whole of the country up to Scotland. Again, a strong and fairly cold easterly for the east coast of England. Temperatures eventually will struggle up to about 16 or 17, similar to today, but it will be cooler down this east coast once more. Well, that's the pressure pattern for Tuesday.